Most vacuums make cleaning feel like a full-body workout and a dirty chore. But what if a vacuum was engineered to be completely frictionless? Today we're looking at the UWANT V700 Pro. UWANT isn't a newcomer taking wild guesses. With over 1 million units sold globally and 100+ patents acquired, they've spent years dominating the automatic dust collection space. They tackled the 3 biggest cleaning headaches: hair tangling on the roller, wrist strain from heavy motors, and dirty dust clouds when emptying. Here's how they solved every single one. First, weight. At just 1.04 kilograms, the V700 Pro weighs roughly the same as 2 small water bottles. It eliminates physical fatigue, letting you clean effortlessly with a single finger. Agility requires reach, with a full 180-degree flat hinge and just 11 centimeters clearance. The body lays completely flat to glide under low beds and sofas without lifting furniture. Forget bulky auto-empty stations that eat up your living room. UWANT engineered a compact dock with a 90% volume reduction, fitting entirely inside the footprint of a single sheet of A4 paper. It adapts to your life. Drop it in the dock for automatic daytime emptying, or hold the button for acoustic control, keeping the base silent while children or pets are sleeping. Compared to conventional stick vacuums, you get 67% higher suction at 79 AW, 44% longer runtime at 50 minutes, and 0 hair tangles on the roller. One minor trade-off: auto extraction works via the main floor brush. Handheld attachments require manual cup, emptying a small compromise that keeps the hand unit exceptionally light. Bottom line, with up to 90 days of hands-off maintenance, the V700 Pro eliminates both dust and the mental burden of cleaning. Click the link below to check current pricing.